Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today I'm going to prepare some mushroom, Brussels sprout, and okra. Jamaican mix seasoning. Just salt, garlic powder, oregano, turmeric, parsley. Together. Smell good. So lift it right here. Okay. This is my pepper, my carrot, and my onion. And I use the purple onion. Okay. Oh, I forgot my garlic. Let me get my garlic. I add my garlic to my stew mushroom. Yeah, cooking on, looking very good. Look, nice. I put on butter. I'm gonna add a piece of butter to it. Okay. Smelling looking good. And now I'm going to prepare some brown rice to go with it. Some salt. Okay. Add my rice. Already washed these already. Okay, just ready for the pot. Okay. My pepper, my onion, and my garlic. And I'm using the red onion, purple onion, right? The purple onion, okay. Okay, let's take it easy. Garlic. Take that. And very easy. Again now. And I have my beef. Over. Salt. I'm going to add my teeth to this. Stir fry it. Stir fry it until it gets a little tender, and it will be good to have with my mushroom and my rice. Let's put a little water on it. Okay. Have my stove on medium. Okay, I'm gonna tip some more water and a half cup of water. Yeah, wow. Okay, this is my finishing look. I'm gonna taste it. It's a vegetarian meal. Very, very nice. It's nice. I'm telling you. This is not for my husband this evening. This is for me. I want you to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching.